I'm Joel Davis, and I am getting ready to install my Bobcat from the last video. And it's gonna be pretty cool. So let me go ahead and get started. Yeah, so now I'm applying the thin set to the wall, which is the tile adhesive that I primarily use, and getting ready to install my little Bobcat here. This is Italian porcelain that I'm using, which I try to use whenever possible, just because it's super strong, super good bond. This is my partner, Frank Padilla. He's one of the guys that's mentored me on tile for about 10 years in construction and stuff like that. My mentor is basically the Al Hurricane of tile in Albuquerque. He's been doing this for what, 40 years? Installing tile. And here is the face.
Cool.
I'm super stoked about the way this guy worked out. Yeah, this guy might be my favorite on this mural so far. He has a real personality. Yeah, beautiful. And Frank and I are to the point where we could hand each other the next tool without even saying anything, or the next, whatever component is needed. And there's my cat. There it is. Let me do a rough clean, and then I'll do my final on it. You know what's odd is I still, to this day, have a hard time with Saltillo, but I could do the precision porcelain all day. He has to come and correct my Saltillo. Last but not least, his little tail. The last piece of the Bobcat for the day. It's like the icing on the cake, his little tail.